Hello guys, and welcome to this particular video. On this video we are going to be talking about the latest updates as regards the Beezo Hive website. All right, so if you have actually seen this website before, or if you have come across any of my video explaining this website, you begin to understand that right here the website doesn't look like this. There have been a new integration and a lot of things has actually changed. The website is even more faster and the dashboard looks more detailed and a lot of things follows up. All right, so I got this email from the website, and over here right now you can see Beezo 2.1 is officially live. We just completed a full UX UI upgrade to make the platform simpler, faster and easier to navigate from onboarding to completing quest. All right, now over here these are the new things that the website currently holds: a refreshed, cleaner experience across the app, new gamification elements with levels and Beezo points, new quests are already live and available now, more quests will be added over the coming days and weeks. Open Beezo and check the available and check what's available. So over here guys, it's very simple. So if you have watched any of my video explaining this particular website, we get to understand that on this website we get paid for completing simple tasks. You get paid real time, no delay. And over here on this website the withdrawal is working perfectly okay. I've made a bunch of video explaining this website, and a lot of people who caught the website very early are making money real time. So if you're hearing about this website for the first time, you do not have to doubt anything, as you are going to be exploring everything seamlessly after watching this video. And if you need a more detailed explanation about the website, for example how to connect wallet, how the withdrawal works and all that, then I'm going to be dropping a video link right on the video description box. Watch the video to get even more deeper, detailed explanation about this particular website and how you can be able to do every single thing as far as this website is concerned. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed, over here on this channel I teach you how to make money in the crypto space, and I teach you a lot about Airdrop, and I help you position for a lot of high paying Airdrop. So if you haven't subscribed yet, look below the video you're watching right now. You are going to be seeing the subscription button. Click on it to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then give the video a thumbs up like this. Make sure you share the video, drop an interesting comment. So let's go back into the main business of the day, which is of course the Beezo Hive website. Like they already say, the website is even more cleaner, faster and even more transparent and detailed. So over here right now you can see I have actually completed a total of about 16 quests right here. It's now showing, and now I have claimed a total of 1,550 RC. RC is like a point that we earn from this website, and those points are what you can convert later into USDC. So looking over here right now, you can see that I have about 95 RC right here, and it is equivalent to 0.095 USDC. Okay, so right now it is very simple. Now for you to be able to complete quest, first of all you need to verify your account. You need to verify your account. Okay, and to be able to verify account, you simply need to first thing create an account using the link right there on the video description box. Do not edit the invite code. The invite code will be inserted for you automatically. And also after creating your account, you simply need to verify your account. All right, so over here guys, this is what shows my progress so far. I've actually passed KYC and I was rewarded for that. I've actually accepted platform rules and I've connected my wallet and I've learned about the wallet. This dashboard actually appeared right here for the first time, and I haven't claimed any RC since then. That is why I haven't actually completed this one right here. Okay, so but that's going to be what you can do at your own end, very easily and simple. And how to complete the quest to claim USDC, to claim RC, which you can convert to USDC and withdraw, is that you need to navigate to where we have quest. Okay, you can see over here 2 quests are available for me, but for you there's going to be way much more quests available. Okay, now coming over here that we have the quest. Where do we have it? So over here this is the quest right here. Okay, now over here you can see it is saying that the academy is currently empty. Let me find the quest. It should be somewhere here. Okay, this is the quest right here. So over here guys, you can see, let me show you real quick. Over here, this is the available quest for me to complete. And if you look over here, we have 11,278. This is the number of people that need to complete this particular quest before it will disappear from here. Okay, and if you look over here, we have this one which is requiring you to follow their social media account. For just following their social media account, you are getting 50 RC, and this 50 RC should be equivalent to 0.05, all right, 0.05 USDC. And if you complete this particular quest right here, you are going to be earning 250 RC, which is equivalent to $0.25. Which website or social media handle is going to be paying you $0.25 for just following their social media account? Now, for the sake of time, I'm going to be rounding the video immediately. So if you come over here on progress, these are the tasks that I'm currently completing that I haven't completed yet. And if you come to pending, these are the ones that I have actually completed right now, and it is currently pending for verification. And if you come over here to completed, these are the tasks that I have completed so far, and the premium is not yet available. Okay, now coming over here to the available quest, let's try and complete one. So over here we are going to be trying this one, which is following the X account. I will click on it. They are going to be bringing you right here, and first thing, they are going to be telling you the rules and regulation that you need to follow. For example, right now you need to follow these rules perfectly for you to get rewarded. All right, so over here, follow Neura account on X. You tap on this, you are going to be taken to the X, and first of all, they are going to be telling you to learn the exciting story behind Neura's decentralized emotional AI ecosystem. Then you go ahead to take a screenshot showing your follow. See the example before, so below. Okay, over here right now, after following the account, you need to make sure you click on following, and it's going to be showing that you are actually following them. Okay, now you scroll down, you come over here, they are going to be telling you how you can be able to approve the upload your screenshot for it to be verified. First thing, they are saying you must take a clear screenshot, and also your application without X handle will be rejected. Now your account need to have you need to make sure that your screenshots include your handle, all right, and user that unfollow brand will be banned from Beezo. So after following, do not unfollow. So you click on start quest right now, and immediately you click on start quest, then you need to scroll up right here, then you go ahead and click on this link for you to go ahead and follow their account. Now watch closely. Now you are automatically going to be taken to your X handle. Okay, you are going to be taken to your X handle, where you are going to be prompted to follow their X account. Now looking over here, we have been brought right here, and first thing that we need to do right here is to simply follow their account. When you click over here on follow, automatically you are now following. Then you come over here and click here that we have followers right here. Okay, if you click on followers, you click on following. This is going to include the people that this account is following. I think I just got it wrong right here. Okay, I will come back right here. Okay, after following the account, what you need to do is to go to your own account from here. Okay, now we are going to my own account right now, just bear with me. Okay, you click over here on your profile, or you click it down here, you click on your profile. Sorry, I'm getting this all wrong. Okay, now we are on my profile right now. Then you click over here on following. This include the people that you are following. You can see over here, this is it, I'm following them. So I will go ahead and take a screenshot. Okay, I will take a screenshot, my bad, bear with me please. Okay, you can see my handle has actually been included right here, so I will take a screenshot like this. Okay, right now I just took a screenshot right now, so I will go back to the Beezo website. Okay, then I will scroll down, then I'm going to be seeing this verify button. I will click on verify. I'm going to have to upload the screenshots. I will click on add screenshots, and immediately you add the screenshot you just took. Then you are going to require to type something right here, your handle. Okay, so let me get this clear. Okay, upload the screenshot and type your handle. Okay, now I need to type in my handle. Okay, my handle is this. You click at, you type in your handle correctly so that it will be verified, to avoid it getting rejected. Okay, Now here we have my handle. This is my handle. I will click on verify, and immediately you click on verify, it is going to be taking a little time for it to give you the message that your verification is currently pending. You can see it is now pending verification. I've just completed this task. I just need to give it a little time for them to verify. If you look over here, you can see it just disappeared, and coming over here on the pending review, you will see that it has actually appeared right here. So after some time, it is going to be approved, and when I come over here to my balance, you can see my balance is going to be increased immediately after the review, and you can only withdraw up to 100 RC coin into your wallet. So if you be learning more about how the withdrawal and everything work, check out the video right there on the video description box for you to get to watch the well-detailed video about how the withdrawal and everything works. I did it all live. Okay, so this is what I have to share with you guys right now. The link to get started is going to be right there on the video description box. Get started right now, keep completing tasks, and keep cashing out every single day. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that's going to be shared very soon.